Welcome one, welcome all. How are you guys all doing out there today? I'd like to welcome everybody again. Everybody, especially from the group, man. Great to see everybody. Wow, come on, guys. Let's see those trades. Come on, we had to have some amazing trades off that insane Head and Shoulders call. Like, man, another in the history books, like absolutely insane in the history books. Amazing call. Look at that. Look at from there, bounce, perfect. Oh my God, that was just. I mean, that's like goat action there, right? It's. I mean, you just can't get any better than that call, right? I mean, Jesus Christ, this was just absolutely insane. Like, if you didn't make a full Bitcoin on this play, don't even know what to say. I'm up almost 2 Bitcoin on that bad boy right now. 2 BTC. Played the down, played the up, I didn't play the up, right? That was the problem. I missed the up. So I went spot long. I got taken out of my spot long. But listen, I'm going to continue to play the spot long, guys. I'm playing the spot long game, and I am ready. I'm ready to trigger to go long for the halvening. It's going to happen. We're going to get a halvening run. You all need to be ready, right? You all need to be ready for the halvening run. I don't want any excuses when this bad boy runs to 9K. I don't want anybody, oh, Vamp didn't tell me to do it, right? I'm telling you guys, it is going to be, we're gonna run to 9K, all right? At least 9K. And that's where I'm telling you, 9K is my goal, my shot. We're riding up a long rising wedge here. We fell back a little bit. Right now, the only thing that I just am absolutely terrified about right now, and I'm not going to lie to you guys, is this horrific, insane, like shooting star candle on the weekly, right? We plastered up another lower volume week. We put up a very ugly shooting star candle. Now, the great thing is this is the weekly, right? This is the weekly candle, so we can. I mean, I really, man, I know a lot of people want to get really deep down there, but I mean, even 6,200 for me. I mean, that my catch-all would be that 5,200 range, right? But I really would 52, 53, 5,600. I really don't want to drop all the way down to that 5,600 range right there. 5,600, 5,300. I really want to stay. I mean, it's okay if we came all the way down and bounced off 5,600 and then made a hardcore run. That'd be great, right? But I'm telling you, we hit 5,600. I will be going hard long, right? I'm going to put that in here, right? If we hit 5,600, I will throw the kitchen sink on a long, right? Oh, long. On a lang. I'll throw it on a long. Like, I'm telling you guys, I will go all in on a long at 5,600, right? But really here, my target is still, right? It's still 6,200, 6,300. And listen, we dropped down. You guys who've been playing this with me have been watching this. I mean, this is my chart right here. Yes, it went up a little higher. I should have gone up to the bottom of the triangle right there. I did on the head and shoulders chart. I just didn't do it over on this chart. But it hit the bottom of the triangle, and I had my shorts loaded all the way up there. You guys know where my stop loss was. It was 72 and change. And I just had boom, 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 and then caught the biggest thing and then fell right back down. In fact, I missed a small load of shorts right at like just right up here. Just I had a little bit more to get, missed them. We did come down. We are doing a little bit of a bearish flag down here. Nothing really to be worried about, right? I'm not like, panicking or anything like that, like thinking we're going to get a big pump up here. Any pump we do have that's going to go up, we're just going to run into the bottom of this, where this wedge was, this flag. This was actually a bearish flag right here. This was not a bullish flag. It was a bearish flag, right? And this fell out, right? Actually pumped, and I would call this. I don't know what the head and shoulders would be the correct term to call this, but I would definitely call this a shakeout. Like if this is anything, to go from you know up 300, 400 points, down 500 points. I mean, 700 points, almost 700 point drop. I mean, that was just hardcore shakeout right there, right? Dude, I was tweeting about it. I said, "Oh Lord, here come the 13K tweets," and that literally the 13K tweets were starting, and then the bottom fell out on it. Oh, it was absolutely hilarious. I love crypto Twitter. It's so entertaining, right? But look at hit the support, just kind of like I expected, a bounce off support right there. I really would like to see this come down just a little bit farther, right? Just a little bit farther. Now, we don't have to go down too far. You look at the Gauss chart, we've got that support 62 right here, 62.79. Right, here's this again, 62.50 on the 3-day. That was on the weekly. This is the 3-day. 61 and change on the daily. Like, I really would like to get down here, bounce off this support. That would make that shooting star candle right there relevant, right? It would make it a very relevant candle. Now, what I don't like is I don't like shorting this close to the halvening. I'm gonna tell you guys, I'm really working with some tight stops here, and yeah, I know, it's just you can't be going short this close to the halvening and not having a tight stop loss on, okay? And I'm gonna say this one more time, and I'm gonna write it down for the members, okay? In caps, you cannot be going short this close to the halvening without a very tight stop loss. Right? Right? I am just waiting for the damn run to happen. Right? 9K is still my halvening target. Right? 9K is still my halvening target. That's what it is. That's what it will remain. Now, we did throw in a beastly, just absolutely beastly shooting star candle, right? Look at this one, like this. Look at this shooting star candle, though, that we got right up here. Right? This massive monster. I do believe I shorted this thing real well. I can't even remember. It's so long ago now. But like this was a monster right here. Monster candle, just so bearish. I mean, just so bearish. And this still did a big shakeout to get a bunch of people out of this trade, out of this short trade from this massive candle right here as we came all the way back down, right? Listen, everyone. You just have to be careful, right? With the halvening. The halvening is FA that is going to override the TA. It's just what it is, okay? So you always have to give that TA a little bit more credibility because there's not a lot of that in crypto right now. There's just not a lot of TA. I mean, there's no P&Ls, there's no companies actually doing anything. Everything is squawk, 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 squawk. I mean, this is just the whole crypto space and sphere until we have some real corporations. And I listen to Bitcoin Maximalist student, and I have to hold my breath because I don't want to make any comments on how stupid they sound, because Bitcoin does fucking nothing, guys. It just does nothing. It is amazing to trade. It is amazing to make money on, but it does absolutely freaking nothing, right? Nothing. All right, and you guys see what just happened to BCH. Look at what happened to BCH, guys. It's done. No one's freaking BCH is done, right? After the halvening, nobody's nobody's trading it anymore, right? They stopped mining it, right? They stop mining BCH. If you're holding on to BCH, you better hold on to your freaking shorts, guys, because that thing is going down. BCH is just going down, and that's it. All right, but in the meantime, this is very simple, all right? I'm going to show you guys this real quick. Okay, here is my long-term trend line as it comes right down here. right? Look, here we got up over it, came back below it, ran the bullish run. Okay, look here, got up, tapped, got up over it, came back down, we're under it. Now, as long as we're on the bearish side of this trend line, we are freaking bearish. And that's all it is. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. On the bottom side of this goddamn freaking trend line is bearish. 730 right now, 70-30 is what we got to get over. Okay, 70-30. And every single day that goes by, this number is just going to keep inching down, right? 70-20, then it's going to go to 7,000. It's just going to keep inching down and down and down and down. But the bears have got to get up over this bad boy. It's that it. My line in the sand right now is this. This is it. This is my line. 70-30. Like, that's it. Bulls have to. This is my line in the sand. 70-30. Right? Right? Bullish on top, bearish on the bottom. Right? Bull on top, bear on the bottom. Right? It's that simple right there. That's that's it. Okay? Now, we've dumped a lot, you know, we're under the monthly. The weekly was freaking shite. I mean, I would still like to see a little bit more of a pullback here, right? I mean, that's what just a little bit more. All right, I mean, that's really, that's just it. I mean, I want to see a little bit more pullback here. Okay, now here's something that's very interesting. If you have the line chart, which I do have this line chart, and this is the last chart I'm going to go over, the line chart still shows us on the bullish side, right? The line chart has us on the bullish side here, right? Which is very interesting. The line chart has us still on the bullish side, right? So the line chart has still got us on the bullish side right here, right? So that's something that you need to take into account. I do like using this. Now, is this a bigger head and shoulders pattern here, right? Is that what this is? A bigger head and shoulders pattern here that would still give us time to do some kind of, you know, it'd be like a quick dump, shakeout, down, and then it maybe wouldn't go all the way down. Let's get this bad boy here. And then this bad boy, oh, come here. Come here, get back up there. All right. And this bad boy do something like down to here. And then moonski up. I mean, 9K, there it is. I mean, I'd like to go 9 ski from here. Right? Like a fake out head and shoulders kind of move like that. Like, oh yeah, just kidding. And then just take off from there, something like that, right? I mean, I would like to see something like this happen. I don't want to drop any lower than 5,300, right? Right? There it is. That's all I got for you guys. It's that simple. That's it. That's the play here, right? Don't lose 5,300. Don't lose 5,300. That's the whole game, right? And let's find the bottom here, right? We got plenty of time. There's no need to rush, right? There's no need to rush here. Let's just play this easy, play it smart. Just keep looking for the bottom for the halvening. That's it. I'm the Vamp, and I am out.